and gentlemen, the innovative Sky Active Technology Plus, a full suite of Eye Active Sense advanced safety features that delivers you an exceptional ride like no other. But here's the thing, besides that, of course, the new Mazda CX-30 is not just an aesthetic, beautiful triumph, but it is also a very practical one that is built purposefully from the finest details down to its functionality, giving you a comfortable ride for you and your family. Address. Very warm welcome, Dr. Sri.
Good morning. It's nice to see a familiar face.
That is bound to turn heads wherever she goes. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, to our media friends, please feel free to come forward with your cameras, as we would now like to welcome our VIPs to kindly join us for the official Is It the moment. All right, should we have a thumbs up? Would you like a thumbs up? Let's do one with a thumbs up, everyone.